Yay, warm enough to tear in at least a little bit. Gonna clean a bottom board today, and I want you guys to see what's typical as well as how this goes. It's pretty quick. I have the Red Queen here, which is gonna be using her for grafting. It's the only one I have at home right now. All the rest are out in the apiaries. But this is what it looks like. If all you're after is the bottom board. You want to get that filth out of there in order to save the bees a bunch of work. And you don't want to dump it right next to where your hive is. So I'm going to use the reflective insulation that was wrapping this entire hive to catch it so that I can dispose of it. But here we go. That's what it takes. Now, the mountain camp that's on top and your sugar boards, you'll hear people talking about using that to make sugar water for the bees when the hard feed season is open. And I advise against that, because if there's a bit of nosemia in that hive, you will effectively cause it to go into the sugar water and then spread it. That's not where we want to be. So when you get done with your mountain camp, I would say dispose of it and save yourself the heartache of introducing nosemia. All right. These are really good bees. You can't get away with that every day, but apparently I got away with it today. Happy beekeeping.